Hello, Miss Grimshaw.
How you doing, Mrs. Adler?
How are you? Been quite a journey since I joined you fellas.
Yes.
And now you and Dutch have joined high society. Oh, Lord above.
Yeah, it seems so.
I think my days in polite society are over.
Well, I just saw Bill Williamson at a party at the San Denise's mayor's house. If he can do it, anyone can.
You get any leads?
Yeah, I think so.
You know so, Arthur Morgan. Come on, we need to talk. Mrs. Adler, will you excuse us?
When you gonna let me come robbing with you, Dutch?
My lord, a few more like her, we could take over the whole world.
Yeah. A few more like her, there wouldn't be much of a world left.
Yes, perhaps. Now, the trolley bus station. I went down there. I took a look at it. I think we can hit it.
I ain't never robbed in a city before.
Well, you leave the planning to me. You'll ride with me?
Always. Is it just you and me?
No, we'll need one more, I reckon.
I say Lenny.
Not Micah.
Well, that depends if you want a massacre or a payday.
No, I wish that there was something I could do to make the two of you get along better.
Well, that's easy. Make them change.
Very funny. What is that?
What the hell have they done to me?
Look, there, the tree line.
Everybody take cover! O'Driscoll boys are coming! Women and children, inside! Rest of you, hold your ground!
We got you now.
Damn crap. Come on, damn Driscoll.
What's happening? O'Driscoll, get up in there. It'll be safer up there.
Hold in here. Stay away from the window.
Where do you keep your valuables?
Get inside fast. Come on, quick. Don't let anyone back through that door. Hold here, hold here. Any more casualties?
Just...
At the... We're getting overwhelmed! Fall back to the house!
What in God's name is going on? We're overrun!
Just keep shooting!
Get them doors barricaded!
Come on now!
Get those doors barricaded quick! Good! Now everyone, I got this. Get these windows covered quickly. John, you take the windows over there. Charles, you take the side door there. Arthur, you take the windows in the back. Go!
Is everyone accounted for?
I think.
Hey, I said, is everyone accounted for?
Oh, no! Stay!
Sadie. I gotta go help her. Come!
I phoned me one of their women.
Mrs. Adler! Sadie? Sadie! Huh? Sadie, why didn't you get inside?
And miss all this? Come on, Arthur.
Now we go back. We need you in the house, Mrs. Adler.
Oh, no.
Find somewhere to land this. Quick. I found a way in.
They need us at the house.
Knocking on death's door.
Oh! Arthur! Mrs. Adler?
Mr. Smith?
We got...
We do. Leave them here.
Cowards!
We okay?
I think so. Except for Kieran here. Poor kid. Mr. Swanson, would you take this boy and bury him someplace near, but not too near?
Of course. Charles, help me with the body.
We need to get this place cleaned up. Mr. Pearson, Miss Grimshaw.
Already taking care of it. Come on now, work.
Colm O'Driscoll.
That man can really hate.
So can I, Arthur. So can I. We need to get moving. Away from here.
So we should start looking for another camp.
You ain't thinking big enough, Arthur. You ain't seeing the vastness of our problems and our opportunities.
I'm not sure I get you.
You will, son. You will. Meet me near the trolley station. We got work.
Shall we?
Yep.
He saved my life, and I could not save his. Mrs. Adler fought braver than any of us. She is driven by powerful forces I scarcely understand. That's what love has done to her, I guess. There was me thinking we were a step ahead of the O'Driscolls.
I was almost starting to like that Kieran. And he saved your life.
I know. Okay, I'll catch you later then.
Okay, Arthur.
You okay, Miss Grimshaw?
Oh, O'Driscoll's. Pinkertons? Is there anybody who doesn't know where we are at this point?
I don't know what to tell you. All right, well, I should be getting on.
Whatever.
So, what now?
We need to start learning from our mistakes.
I know. Okay, well, let's talk more later.
Okay, Arthur.
So, no more Kieran.
No. I was just starting to like him, too.
I know. Well, I should get back to it.
Yeah.
Morning.
Good morning. Is Grimshaw keeping off your back?
I wish.
Well, just keep your head down.
Sure, Arthur.
There she is.
Morning.
Everything okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Why?
No reason. Just making sure.
Okay, Arthur.
Oh, Arthur, I can't believe those pigs did that to him.
To Kieran?
He was such a gentle soul.
Yeah, he saved my life one time. I'll miss him.
You make the bastards pay, Arthur.
If we get the chance, we surely shall.
Kieran.
What are you giving me the eye for?
Sorry, don't mind me.
Are we going to eat?
You're one strange feller sometimes, that's for sure.
Hey there.
Let's hope for a good day.
Working hard there.
Somebody's got to do it.
All right, well, don't let me disturb you.
Nice is what it's come to, huh, Mary Beth?
Hi, folks.
Another morning.
You're a good worker.
Thank you, Arthur.
Don't let me disturb you.
Okay.
Don't forget about all that money out there.
Of course not.
Anyway, you know what to do.
Okay, Arthur.
You okay, Uncle?
I'm keeping my head, which is more than we can say for Kieran.
Straight in there with the jokes, huh?
How's it going?
Anyway, I won't disturb you.
Uh-huh.
All right?
Hey.
You seem in a good mood.
Hardly.
Okay, maybe not then.
Well, sure.
Hey, Strauss.
Arthur,
Why are you looking so shifty?
I'm not.
Okay. Guess we'll find out.
Whatever.
Morning.
Morning, Arthur.
You managing not to kill Pearson?
Only just.
Oh, he ain't that bad.
If you say so.
Mr. Matthews. Hi.